But first, RTV6's Hiring Hoosiers continues to explore the impact that COVID-19 is having on Indiana's workforce. Thousands of Hoosiers are trying to file for unemployment. RTV6 reporter Cameron Riddle spoke with a man who says Hoosiers will suffer while this process drags on.
Like millions of Americans across the country, Joe Bushman is worried about how his family will get through the coronavirus pandemic, especially his parents, after his mother, Marge, a hairdresser of 40 years, is now out of work.
Well, she was laid off of work at Regis Hair Salon in Monticello, Indiana, due to COVID. They were forced to close due to being non-essential.
Bushman says when his mom applied for unemployment online, she hit a roadblock after selecting laid off or lack of hours as her reason for needing unemployment.
She called the unemployment office and was on hold for over 2 hours. And finally got a person, and the person said that someone would reach out to her within 3 weeks to determine what the problem is.
Bushman says his mother is on a fixed income and can't wait 3 weeks to start collecting unemployment.
My frustration comes because if it's happened to my mom, it's happening to a lot of people, and people need their money now, and they've got to find a way to streamline this. I get the system's being overwhelmed, but it doesn't help put food on the table.
State officials say just this week alone, 146,000 Hoosiers applied for unemployment benefits, and staffers at the unemployment office had 210,000 phone interactions by Thursday. Tonight, Bushman is asking state officials to speed up the process by automatically approving unemployment benefits for anyone put out of work due to coronavirus.
When that box is checked, it just should be, you should get the money flowing. There shouldn't be a delay. You shouldn't have to wait and talk to someone who's taking 210,000 phone calls.
In Indianapolis, Cameron Riddle, RTV6.
The Department of Workforce Development has hired 77 new employees to help answer unemployment claims. The first wave of additional employees begins next week.